into a real estate business and you're looking for means to create a website, investment real estate website for people so they can invest in real estate business. So this video is for you. So I'm going to walk you through this real estate investment website that you can use to run your investment program. So this is how this front end looks like. This is how the customer account is going to look like. And this is how your own backend is going to look like. So I'm just going to run you few demo how it works. So if you want to set up this type of real estate investment, just message us on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can check it and do on this video description. So this is the front end. It has your about us, property, blog, FAQ, contact, and login. So you can see that's everything. Very clean, very mobile phone responsive. So the front end is at the front end, so the customer can see the investment properties. So they can see the investment property, they can see their share market, they can see all their property they have invested in, they can see their property, they can see all the send offer, and they can receive offer as well. So they can see all the investment history, so they can add fund. So this software supports a lot of payment methods. So there's no way in this world that you are not going to see the payment method that supports your country. So if you want to use currency, if you want to use normal crypto, you want to use normal card payment, there's a system that supports it. So you can see, so they can choose any of the payment to make payment. So they can sell their fund history, can sell their money transfer money, may can sell their transaction, you can sell their payout. So you can sell their payout history, their referral bonus, and they can also do support tickets. So if they message you from their front end, we are going to receive it at your back end as well. So great, amazing. That's for the front end. So let's go to the back end. So here you can see all your role permission. So you want to add new rules, you can add people to it. If you want to add people to your business, and just change it. So KYC. So you want to do KYC, you want to do address verification, you can activate it. If you want to do identity verification, you can enable it. And if you want to save changes, save. So for customer to log in or to register on your platform, they have to submit their document. So these are identity supported, driving license, passport, or national ID card. So and just choose how you want to do. You want another field to it. So you can come to your profit schedule. So you can do your profit schedule, maybe you receive year, months. So your amenity list, you can come here. You want to add new amenities. So just enter your title, icon, starter, then click on save. You want to add your address list. So your property, you can add all your property. You want to add a new property, create a new property. So enter your property, title, address, location, amenities, then details, thumbnail, the image of your property gallery. So add it, then click on save changes. So I'll come here. So you can sell your wish list, property share investment. So you can allow it as well. analytics or your people that visit your website. So come to all your investments. So you can create a new investment. And see this way you're going to sell your investments. Do investment, expire investment, complete investment. This way you can create batch bonus, batch list. So you can create a batch list for different users depending on how they invest. So this way you can sell your users. So this way you can sell your users. So you can send them email, you can log in at the accounts, you can edit. So you want to ban the account, you can ban it. If you want to verify the SMS, you can verify email. And so you can do everything like that. So you want to add a subtract form to their account, you can add and subtract it as well. This is maybe they send payment manually. Yeah, this method is going to work for you. And just add a balance, interest balance, choose the wallet you are investing, how much you want to add, maybe 1,000. You want to add it, you can submit. So if we go back to our customer, oh sorry, they're asking for verification. So let me just off it here. So date verification. So you have to upload it. So can you see the 5,000 isn't there? So they can start using for investment. So this is where you see your payment method. So just choose the payment method you want. So maybe you're in Africa, Nigeria, you can use Flutterwave. So any country maybe you want to accept crypto, blockchains, authorize.net. So you want to use PayPal, you can use PayPal as well. So depending on the payment method you want to use, that is here we are going to be able to connect it to your account. So you want to use Stripe, you can use it as well. So that's for the payment method. So you want to see all your pending KYC or the people that have submit the verification, you can see it. And just choose address, then approve or reject it. You want to send email to all your customers, to all your users. You want to set your referral. You want to enable referral and set it. You can deposit your referral bonus activity, invest commission, generate level. Just click on okay. You want to refer. So just enter your bonus level 2. So you want to set up manual gateway as well. Maybe you want to get by transfer crypto. So you can also set it up Amazon. Deposit request. So this is where you're going to see how people that have that manually deposit for you. Payment logs. Payout settings. So you can just choose the days you want to do payouts. If you want to do it every day, good. If you just do it on Monday, just turn off the rest. So I'm clicking save changes. Payout method. So choose out all the payout method you support, or you can add new. So that's all. This is going to say your payout request. So the transaction. So you're going to say transaction. This is going to say your commission. This is going to say your tickets. So the email user sent to you, this way you're going to see it. Open ticket, close ticket, answer ticket, you're going to see it. Subscriber list, you're going to see the subscriber list. Send email, you want to send email. So this is how you're going to control your basic setting for your account. So when you are able to set it up, you're going to do that. So this is where your email settings, you're going to be able to do everything. So email action, email notification, enable it, email verification, you want to enable it, click on save. So your email from it, this is where you're going to enter your SMTP details. So amazing. Click on save changes. So you want to see your email templates. So that's all. So SMS control as well. If you want to be sending SMS notification to your customer, activate it. Then add your add your SMS API. So depending on the SMS you want to use, maybe Chulo, Nesmo, any API you want to use, just add it. Then your customer is going to be receiving SMS notification as well. So if you want to enable push notification as well, so just use push app ID. So your customer is going to be receiving push notification on the account. So maybe whenever they perform perform an action, they're going to receive it on their screen here. Currency exchange. So if you want to do currency exchange, so this will require another third party. So you want to activate it, you want to use CoinMarkets API, you have to log in. So they are going to charge you as well. So manage language. So you can see English, Spanish, you can add another new language. So enter the country, short name. So there's no country you want to run this real estate investment that is not going to work for. So just create the new language, automatic is going to change to it. So you can just manage your logo and SEO, manage your clones, social content, or you want to create a blog as well and do it. So that's how this real estate investment website look like. So if you want us to help you to set up something like this for your business, so you can just message us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you. So before I go, so maybe you want to buy marketing software for your business, you want to send back SMS, you want to buy email sender, a phone number validator, email extractor, the SMTP setup, just go to etjmarketingtools.com. So if you want to buy leads, email leads, USA leads, hormonal leads, so Australis, USA payroll, ETJ Telegram sender. So you want to buy leads, so just go to etjleads.com. So thank you. See you again.